So today we will create like epic trails on Scratch. Aren't they gonna look cool? Like, trails, and then like they disappear when the character stops. That's cool, right? Yeah, that's so cool. It's just moving, and look, the trails. And they end. They fade away. The farthest one has a good one. Okay. So yeah. Isn't it so cool? Like you can make epic trails and you don't have to like make a million clones. So I just press create, because sometimes people make mistakes that they put a million clones but the clones don't get deleted, so the trail stops. So this video will show you how to make actually a good one. So I'll just put like let's do let's put a green flag and then set ghost effect to 0. Yeah, that looks good. Now we're gonna add a forever loop, and then we're gonna add, what should we add? We're gonna add a go to mouse pointer. So it follows the mouse pointer, but you don't have to do that if you're making your own type of game and you don't want it to follow the mouse pointer. You don't have to. Then create clone of myself. Then when I start as clone, we're gonna do like, I think we should do the same thing, but like the same thing, but like set ghost effect is 0. Yeah, we want that on the thing. And then repeat like 4 times. That would look good. Repeat 4 times. Let's just do like change, like I think we should do not color effect, ghost effect. Yeah, that's good. Repeat 4 times, change the ghost effect by 25. And look at that. Wait, you see that the clones are getting deleted. That's the part we don't want. So let's just add a block, delete this clone. It's awesome. It's just moving and moving. That's awesome. Very cool. Yeah, just going so cool. Let's just go back to the code. Now, let's just do go to the weight 0.51, I guess. And look, the trails are bigger. If we add a weight block for like 0.1 second, it just gets a bit bigger. That looks so good. Like it just got a bit bigger. Oh, that looks good. If it was running, if your Scratch Cat was running, it would have like epic trails. Now, that looks so awesome, right? So let's just do like 0. And then we got back to our normal trail. But if we do 0.1, we get this like large trail, but it's still so good. Now let's just going and going. I hope this video had helped you a lot on making the trails. So I'll see you next time.